So the first breakfast, easy breakfast recipe is going to be what? Quesadilla. Ooh. Okay, so with my quesadilla recipe, we're going to need, of course, eggs, some oil, cheese. Okay, so this is Colby Jack, mozzarella, and sharp cheddar cheese, and some salt, some sausages, and 2 tortilla flour. Yeah. Okay, so with this, it's going to make probably 8 slices. So friends, family, let's get started. This. Okay. I like to use my hand. I'm a real mom, so this doesn't really hurt. Just kidding, it hurts. So put it to the middle and let the other side cook. So we go ahead and turn the other side through too. Alright. Hey guys, so our quesadilla is done. Let's transfer it here and to cut this. Oh, I am so excited. Look at the cheese, guys. Look at the cheese. Oh, look at the cheese. Look at the cheese. Oh my gosh, I am so excited, guys. This is the best. Oh, look at this. I know you love it. I love it. Look at this, guys. This is the best. Look at the way the cheese is so stretchy. Ooh. Okay. Now, let's eat this, okay? Quesadilla.
Thank you, family, for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If today is your first time, don't be a stranger. Please subscribe. Thank